Hi guys, Laura here. How is everybody? Today I wanted to show you a different take on a Dutch pour. Yesterday's video I did it in a short and I tried something new. I'm always trying to evolve and reinvent myself. So today I'm going to show you in different colors. If you wanted to see the video from yesterday, it's in the description. But today I'm going to show you how I did it in long form with me talking. So come on down to the canvas. Right now I have black base coat with an 18 by 24 on canvas. So come on down, enjoy. Okay guys, so I did everything on the vertical with multiple colors. This is all in metallics and it's when it dries it is something else. It's unique, it's wild, it's a pop in your house, or it's a pop of color in your house for your walls, and it's just when this dries it's something else. Okay, guys, so let me know in the comments if you like this way of doing a Dutch pour. I'm trying new things. I'm just experimenting, but this actually turned out pretty cool. I'm pretty pleased with it, and you can look at the other video also, and there's not embellishments on that one. So I wish you well. I will see you at the next video. Toodles! Bye!